Dana White seems to have embraced you. He badly needs a star. You're a guy that's colorful, you're talkative, you're controversial. Have you had a lot of fun partying with him? I mean, you've been seen in his Ferrari, you're in his suite. Like, how did you guys get close?
Yeah. For me, I bring something to the table and I eat it.
Conor, you slipped my jab there. I asked you what it was like to party with him. I mean, it was a good answer, but you totally slipped my jab. What's it like to party with him?
Partying is weakness for the soul, my friend, so I try and avoid it.
Oh, partying is weakness for the soul.
I don't think Dana agrees with you. Do you think Dana agrees with you? I don't think that weakens his soul.
Yeah.
Yeah, boy, we hit the brakes when we start talking down, boy.
I don't know about romance, but I like to get down occasionally.
Down?
Yeah, let's go back to
What
that.
does that mean?
I don't really have a romantic side is what I am saying. If I go for it, I am going in for the kill. You best believe that. You will not catch me walking down the beach holding hands. You will catch me going deep. I will call him whatever I want. I will do as I please to him.
When you know, things get crazy and most people pull out, Conor McGregor stays in.
Not to do the lactate in my body.